So in this activity, we use existing structures to teach children how to drive. We call it driving school, and we teach them how to start the car, how to park, how to learn to drive forwards, backwards, switch lanes, drive in heavy traffic, and all motor skills are taught in these activities, as you can see here with all these games. Want to get new and creative games for PE for ages 3 to 7? If yes, then use this link right here in the description. If you want new and creative games on a regular basis, then sign up for our free updates with the email newsletter right here below.